This video covers all the latest updates on Union version 2.5. Now, as you all know, Union has launched a new website that combines the old transfer page and the dashboard page. Now, everything you need on Union is on a single website where you can track your progress on the dashboard and also make transfers between different networks. So there are some new updates that has also been added, and I've noticed that some persons are having issues navigating this page. So that is why I am making this video, to show you everything you need to know. All I need you to do is to like this video, hit the bell icon on, and subscribe to this channel so that you can always get updates whenever I make new videos. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video to let me know if there's anything you don't understand, or if there's something you want me to cover on. Or getting started, guys, the first thing you should do is for you to come to the faucet section, because you need to claim faucet for some of the new chains that has been added. One of such chains is Say network has been added, so you need to claim Say Testnet from this their website here. One thing I like about this latest update on Union is that any new network they add a page for you where you can get test tokens. Okay, so click on that to get the test tokens for Say network. The next testnet token you need is Bitcoin Testnet, because you are going to be needing to make transfers between Bitcoin Testnet into Say Testnet in order for you to claim the reward. So you also need to click on Bitcoin Testnet in order for you to get their test token. To claim Testnet, they are going to send you BTCN, which is the token on the Coin network. All right. So to do that, you still need to paste your Ethereum wallet address. Just copy your Ethereum wallet address, the same one you are using on Union, paste it here. But before you do that, you are going to need to log in using your GitHub account. I believe that everybody participating on Union has a GitHub account. If you do not have a GitHub account, go to github.com and create an account. Now, so once you're done with that, then next thing is for you to make transfers. But let us go to our dashboard to see the tasks that are available. Now, if you want to see the tasks that you have not completed yet, from this dashboard you're going to see everything about your account. As you can see here, I have 560 XP and my rank is 8,797 on the Union leaderboard. Now, the task you need to complete, come to achievement statistics, then click on view all. All right, because this is where you're going to see all the on-chain transactions that you need to do in order for you to earn points. So when you come to view all, it's going to show you all the tasks that needs to be completed. You can see social, you can see on-chain. Let us go to on-chain to see the different networks on Union that we need to complete on. I believe that by now you must have completed most of the tasks on Sepolia. Xeon has been suspended for now. If they reinstate Xeon Testnet, I can complete most of that. So let me go back to the one that is active now, which is Say. You can 8 tasks to earn a total of 60 XP. So let us check them out. First one, first dive. You perform one transfer into Say during testnet or mainnet. I have done one of that, which gives me 5 XP. Next one is 10 transfers, and then the last one is 100 transfers to earn a total of 30 XP. Once you're done with that, there's also daily transactions into Say network. So the first transaction for the very first time, if you do transactions into Say for 3 days, you earn 5 XP. By the time you do it for 10 days, you earn 30 XP total. So every day, make sure you run transaction into Say network. Let us go to transfers to see how to do that. Right now, the chains you can use to send token into Say is very limited. You can only send from Coin into Say, because if you select any other one here, you won't be able to. There's no route for you to send into Say. So let me show you. You need to come on Coin Testnet, and then based on the token you have on Coin Testnet, then that is where to determine the transaction you're going to make. You have BTCN. You can see BTCN here, which is the token, the test token we claimed in the previous task. Then let us select the chain we are sending into, which is Say. All right, you can see Say Testnet. So let us connect our wallet. We click on connect wallet. I need to connect my MetaMask. Those two networks are EVM compatible networks. Okay, so once you select this, you need to wait for your balance to appear. once your balance appears, you can put in the amount that you want to transfer. Remember that once you want to make these transfers, volume does not matter. What matters is the amount of time you have done the transfer. And because they give you just very little amount of test tokens, they give you like 0.0001. So there is no point for you sending 0.001. Make it 0.05 times and then 1. This amount here is okay for you to make the transfer. If it shows you failed checking balance, you reload the page. Then you click on transfer ready. So you submit and it will request you to confirm the transaction using your wallet, depending on whatever wallet you're using. Now, this is one of the most common errors you are going to encounter: insufficient balance. This Testnet is a very problematic network because most times it will just request gas fee that is just not possible. So I usually use MetaMask to confirm it, but it will be most times it will tell you insufficient balance for your transfer. And you know that the amount of test token you claim is very little. So if it tells you insufficient balance, the only thing you have to do is to cancel and try again. All right. Most times I use MetaMask, and for more than 2 days that I've been trying it, I've been able to push only one transaction. All right, so I'll just urge you to keep trying it on your own time. Whenever you have chance, just keep trying it, and eventually you are going to push 1 or 2 transactions. And hopefully the union team will look into this, because you see this Testnet, it gives a lot of problem. But another thing you can do is that you can push transaction from say into other network. From this say now, you can decide to push say into other networks. Okay, it's only Con that you can push say into. So if you decide to make this, I'll urge you to do this, because eventually if they decide to bring out transaction or quest for Testnet, like quest for you to make transaction into Testnet, then every transaction you have done before will be automatically marked and used to score you on the union testnet. So let me just make one transaction into Testnet, and while this is also not working, all I can say is that keep trying it and you all spend time. If you are lucky, you'll be able to push the transaction, especially pushing transaction from Testnet into say network. And if it works for you, you can complete the transaction. And then for tracking your progress, always come to the dashboard here, click on your profile picture at the top left corner, and then you come to achievement stats. When you click on achievement stats, you click on view all. When you come to view all, this is where you're going to see every transaction that you need to complete, every task you need to complete. Come to on-chain. From on-chain here, you can see all the networks listed. Then you can go to say and see what is left for you, what you have achieved, and what is left to be achieved. So this is all. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section of this video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cover in my next videos. If there's a testnet you want me to make a video on, always let me know. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time in my next videos.